Hello beautiful people, hope this video finds you well. So welcome back to Terry's Kitchen, and if you're new, kindly feel welcome. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make instant noodle stir fry. So I'll start by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then I'll fry in some onions. I've used spring onions, but you can use red onion. You're going to saute that for about 2 minutes, then you're going to add in some beef chunks. It's not a must to add beef, you can also use some eggs or chicken if you have. So you're going to fry the beef until it's brown. So it will take like 2 to 5 minutes to brown. Then after that I'm going to add in some bell peppers. You can have used green bell peppers, but you can also add the red one or the yellow bell pepper. Then I'm going to add in some carrots which I've diced. After that I'm going to saute it for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes of sauteing the carrots and the bell pepper, I'm going to add in some half tablespoon of soy sauce. I've used the light one. Then you're going to leave it for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to add in some noodle spice, which is bumbu sauce, but you can add other spices if you want. Then you're going to give it a stir. Something I love about noodles is that you can fix this meal any time of the day. You can take it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner if you want. After that, I'm going to add in some salt to taste. At this point, I had already boiled the instant noodle for 3 minutes. So I'm going to add in, then I'm going to give it a stir. So you're going to stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes because the noodles is already cooked. So it will take around 5 minutes to be ready. Lastly, we are going to garnish the noodles with the fresh coriander leaves, which is dhania. We are going to give it a stir, and just like that, your noodles will be ready to be served. I hope you have loved this recipe and you will give it a try. Kindly let me know in the comment section how it was and which recipe you love for me to do next. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. Kindly give me a like, comment, and share with others so that they can learn this simple recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.